Are you ready to update your WordPress site without fear? Say goodbye to those dreaded WordPress nightmares. Stick around, and we'll show you how to keep your site safe and sound during updates. Welcome to the Budmal channel, your go-to source for all things WordPress. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into a crucial topic that every WordPress manager and developer needs to master: performing safe updates without breaking your site. Now, if you've ever experienced the sinking feeling of updating your site only to find it riddled with errors or, worse yet, completely down, then you know just how important this is. Updates are essential. They bring new features, security patches, and improvements. But they can also be a double-edged sword if not handled correctly. Today, we're going to arm you with the knowledge and strategies you need to make sure every update goes smoothly. No more sleepless nights worrying about potential site crashes or lost data. Alright, let's dive into the main content of our guide. First and foremost, before any update, it is crucial to back up your site. Think of it as your safety net. If anything goes wrong during the update process, you can always revert back to this backup. Backing up a WordPress site typically involves two components: your database and your files. Your database contains all your posts, comments, and links to images and files, while your files include themes, plugins, images and uploads. There are several plugins available like Updraft Plus or all-in-one WordPress migration that can help automate this process for you. Secondly, it is crucial to select the appropriate timing for updates. While updates are essential for preserving the functionality and security of your website, timing plays a critical role. It is best to avoid peak traffic hours when a large number of users are visiting your site. After all, you wouldn't want to interrupt their experience or miss out on potential sales or leads during an update. Ideally, schedule updates during off-peak hours when visitor traffic is at its lowest. Also, remember to account for different time zones if you have a global audience. Having a routine update schedule not only helps avoid disruptions but also ensures that you are regularly maintaining your site. The next item on our agenda is the testing process in a staging environment. This environment functions as an exact copy of your live website, allowing you to confidently and securely experiment with modifications without impacting the actual site. By implementing updates in this controlled environment, we effectively remove any potential risks associated with making direct updates to our live websites. Plugins like WP Staging create a seamless copy of your site for staging purposes with just one click. Alternatively, some hosting providers offer staging environments as part of their plans. Now, let's discuss the importance of updating plugins and themes safely. These valuable additions greatly enhance the functionality of our websites, improving both their appearance and performance. However, during the updating process, there is a possibility of encountering compatibility issues with other elements of your site, which can pose certain risks. Always remember the golden rule: never update multiple plugins at once. Take the time to update one plugin or theme at a time, then thoroughly check your site for any issues. This approach allows you to pinpoint the cause of any problems and swiftly resolve them by either reversing the update or seeking assistance from the developers. It's important to keep in mind that not all plugins are equal. Make sure to only use plugins that have received positive reviews, are regularly updated, and come from trusted sources. Also, be mindful of compatibility issues, as certain plugins may not be compatible with specific versions of WordPress. We must consistently monitor our websites for post-update issues. Occasionally, problems may not become immediately apparent after an update, such as slow loading times, broken links, or malfunctioning features that can unexpectedly arise. Take advantage of tools like Google Search Console, which will promptly alert you about any crawl errors that Google bots come across on your website. Additionally, consider utilizing uptime monitors like Uptime Robot, which provide immediate notifications if your website experiences any downtime. Don't forget about manual checks too. Take some time to navigate through your site, just like a user would, to catch any potential issues that automated tools might miss. Conclusively, the process of updating your WordPress site can be managed effectively and without fear of risks if approached with the right strategies. By taking necessary precautions such as regular backups, strategic timing of updates, utilizing staging environments for testing, ensuring safe plugin and theme updates, and vigilant post-update monitoring, you can ensure a well-maintained and secure WordPress site, free from update-related troubles. By following these steps consistently and attentively every time you update your WordPress site, you can significantly reduce the chances of experiencing crashes or losing data. Say goodbye to update fears and embark on a worry-free journey with us. Well, there you have it. We've covered the ins and outs of performing safe WordPress updates without causing any harm to your site. We've learned about the importance of backups, choosing the right time for updates, testing in a staging environment, updating plugins and themes safely, and monitoring for post-update issues. To quickly recap, backups are your safety net. Before making any changes or updates, always ensure that you have a recent backup of your site. Updates should be scheduled during off-peak hours to avoid disrupting user experience during high-traffic periods. Testing updates first in a staging environment can help prevent problems on your live site. When it comes to plugins and themes, update one at a time to easily identify any potential conflicts or issues. And lastly, keep an eye on your site after an update. Use automated tools like Google Search Console or Uptime Robot, but also manually check your website from time to time. Bear in mind that consistent maintenance and thoughtful planning are crucial for ensuring the optimal performance of your WordPress site. We trust that this guide has proven valuable in providing you with practical insights and effective strategies for securely updating your WordPress sites. We are grateful for your presence with us today. Don't forget that this is just one of many topics we cover here at Budmel Channel, your go-to source for everything WordPress related. So if you want to stay ahead in managing and developing your WordPress sites like a pro, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, it lets us know we're on the right track. And feel free to leave comments below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning and keep updating safely.